Chicken Methi Masala, Fry Bindhi Masala, big spoon of oil. Let the oil heat up. 2 big onions sliced. Stirring it until onion becomes translucent. Add chicken fry till color changes. Ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. Coriander powder. Zira powder. Red chili powder. Turmeric powder. Chicken masala. Stir it very well so let the spices combine with chicken. Cover it in low flame for 15 minutes. Almost half done now, add tomatoes. Keep stirring in medium heat till tomatoes gets soggy and becomes paste. Covered in low-medium heat for 10 minutes. Mashallah, very nice aroma of spices. Add green chilies and a plate of dry kasuri methi. You can use fresh methi and dry methi. Keep stirring until all ingredients have combined with chicken. Covered for further 5 minutes till all is seen on surface. Garnish with coriander leaves. Chicken methi is ready. 1 big spoon of oil. I took from medium-sized of onions, cut into thin slices. Half I add in, half I keep aside. Keep stirring until brown. Ginger garlic paste. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, half I use, half 1 keep aside. Keep stirring until tomatoes become soggy. Salt to taste. Green chilies. Vegetables masala. Red chili powder. Coriander powder. Turmeric powder. Mix well until all spices become a good paste. Add bhindi to 100 grams. Mix well. Covered and cooked in low flame for 15 minutes. Mashallah bhindi is almost cooked. Add rest of tomatoes and onions. Mix well and cover for 10 minutes, then serve. Can eaten with rice roti or naan. Both dishes are ready. I hope you love my cooking. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.